I used to live in Darwell, but we moved to the Waikato in 2005 to give our kids some gateway, because there's no gateway up there for education. And I was looking for something to do, and I got told about the Kawairaupapa art program at Apakura in Te Aotearoa. So that's where I started my journey in the arts.
I am originally from Germany, born and bred over there, and I came to New Zealand in 2000. My 3 children are part Māori, so I took a great interest in Māori culture and Māori art. We started this project in 2020. We were asked to walk around and have a look what's around, what's on the whenua, and this is how we came up with the main flowers that we have on the ngahere boards.
It was really empowering, actually, because it was like, these boards, how are they going to look up on the roof? How are they going to put them up? Yeah, it was just mind-boggling. When we came in and saw them, it was just amazing.